Welcome back, my favorite cyber scholar. I trust you're finding the course enjoyable and valuable. Feel free to drop a comment if things are looking good so far. Let's get to work. Introduction to Magic Animate. Magic Animate is your go-to tool for adding dynamic motion to your designs, making them perfect for engaging presentations or dynamic social media copies. Accessing Magic Animate. To access Magic Animate, simply click on any element within your design. This could be a text block, a shape, or even an entire page. Once you've selected an element, look for the Animate button, which will appear right above your design. You'll notice that there are two tabs, Element Animations and Page Animations. The Page Animations stays the same, but the other tab will be labeled based on the selected item. It could be Text, Photo, or Element Animations. Animation. Click on the Page Animations. The purple line will slide across to indicate which tab you are on. Click on the Magic Animate. The AI animator will swing into action, adding motion on your entire document. You have a range of animation styles to choose from. You'll find the recommended animation style as well as some alternative motion styles. Select the one that suits your design best. Magic Animator is particularly beneficial for larger designs, as it can save you a significant amount of time compared to animating each page and element individually. Please keep in mind the whole document will be animated in the selected style. That was easy, and you would agree that it should be. After all, the AI is here to streamline the process. Keep up the great work and see you on the next one.